Today we have some horrible sliding rails, just a bad design. The clips are bad. This has actually been replaced already with the original clips, which are not strong enough. This is the PVC board I'm going to use for the new spacers. I have the rails already installed, and I measured the width and the width of the actual opening, and I divided that by 2, and that's what I got. These I ripped them down 2 inches because the rails are 2 inches wide by 21/32. Right here you see me using my laser level so I can have the rails level across both sides. I finally got the rails installed after I checked the measurement between the 2 new supports I added right here, and everything is sliding just how it should. Gotta test the soft close feature. You gotta love soft close, that's amazing. Also, these rails are designed to support 100 pounds.